Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Sa video na ito ay pag-uusapan natin ng Perpendicular Bisector Theorem at Angle Bisector Theorem. Kaya kung nais ninyong matuto sa lesson na ito, please keep on watching. So kung handa na po kayo, simulan na po natin. Unahin nating i-discuss ang Perpendicular Bisector Theorem. This theorem states that any point that lies on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the endpoints of the line segment it is drawn. So magbibigay po tayo ng mga examples para mas maintindihan natin itong theorem na ito. Meron tayong 4 na examples na inihanda for this theorem. Let's proceed to example number 1. Given that line L is the perpendicular bisector of segment AC and point B lies in line L, we can say that the measure of segment AB is equal to the measure of segment BC. Dahil equal ang measure ng line segment AB at line segment BC, pwede nating sabihin na line segment AB is congruent to line segment BC. That's example number 1. Proceed tayo sa example number 2. Given that line L is the perpendicular bisector of segment AC and the measure of segment AB is equal to 15 meters, what is the measure of segment BC? So kanina, alam natin na ang segment AB is congruent to segment BC. At alam din natin na ang measure ng segment AB ay equal sa measure ng segment BC. Kaya kung ang measure ni segment AB ay 15 meters, ang measure din ni segment BC ay magiging 15 meters. Dito naman tayo sa third example. Given that line M is the perpendicular bisector of segment KT and point E lies in it, find the value of x. So, hahanapin po natin ang value ni x dito. Paano natin siya mahanap? Alam po natin na ang measure ni segment KE is equal to the measure of segment ET. So, ngayon, isa-substitute po natin ang mga values. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng equation na 2x plus 10 is equal to 70. So, para mahanap po natin si x, lipat natin ngayon si 10 from left side to right side. So, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng equation na 2x is equal to 70 minus 10. Simplify po natin ang 70 minus 10. Ito po ay magiging 60. At kapag dinivide natin both sides ng 2, ang x natin ay magiging 30. Kaya ang value po ni x dito sa example na ito ay 30. Proceed tayo sa example number 4. Given that line N is the perpendicular bisector of segment MR and point K lies in it, find the measure of segment RK. So ngayon po, alam natin na ang measure ni segment MK is equal to the measure of segment RK. Gayun din po, alam natin na may mga given sa bawat segment, kaya isa-substitute po natin yon. So, the measure of segment MK will be 5x minus 25 at ang measure ni segment RK ay mapapalitan ng 2x plus 65. Ang gagawin po natin na sunod ay pagsasamahin natin yung mga like terms. Kaya yung 2x from right side, dilipat natin sa left side. Ang negative 25 from left side, pupunta siya sa right side. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng equation na 5x minus 2x is equal to 65 plus 25. So simplify na natin ngayon. What is 5x minus 2x? Yan po ay 3x. At kapag inad natin ang 65 at 25, magkakaroon tayo ng 90. So para makuha muna natin ang value ni x, we divide both sides by 3. So kaya ang x natin ay 30. Diyan na po ba nagtatapos? Hindi pa po. Kasi we are asked to get or find the measure of segment RK. So ang gagawin po natin sa value ni x ay isa-substitute natin sa expression ni RK. So magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong equation. The measure of segment RK is equal to 2x plus 65. So alam na natin yung value ni x. Kaya isa-substitute na lang natin. So the measure of segment RK is equal to 2 times 30 plus 65. Eh ano po yung 2 times 30? Yun po ay 60. Tapos plus 65. What is 60 plus 65? That is 125. Kaya po ang measure ni segment RK ay 125. Dito naman po tayo sa Angle Bisector Theorem. This theorem states that any point that lies on the angle bisector sector is equidistant from the sides of the given angle. So tulad po kanina, magbibigay ulit tayo ng mga examples para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ba talaga itong theorem na ito. So meron tayong tatlong examples na inihanda for this theorem. Example number 1. Given that ray BC is the angle bisector of angle ABD and the measure of segment AC is equal to 4 units, what is the measure of segment CD? So alam po natin na equidistant sila, no po? Point C is equidistant to the sides of the angle. Kaya kung ang measure ni segment AC ay 4 units, ang measure din ni segment CD ay 4 units. Kasi equidistant nga po sila. So, dito tayo sa example number 2. Given that ray XZ is the angle bisector of angle WXY, measure of angle WXZ is equal to 2x plus 50 degrees, and the measure of ZXY is equal to 90 degrees. What is the value of x? So, hahanapin po natin ngayon. So, alam po natin, kapag ang pinag-uusapan ay angle bisector, kapag binisect ang angle, yung dalawang portions doon ay meron silang equal na measure. Kaya, pwede nating sabihin na the measure of angle WXZ is equal to the measure of angle ZXY. So, meron tayong mga given. So, i-substitute po natin. So, kaya, 2x plus 50 is equal to 90 ang ating magiging equation. So, pagsamahin po natin ang mga like terms. So, 2x is equal to 90 minus 50. Simplify natin. What is 90 minus 50? That is 40. Kaya, when we divide both sides by 2, we will come up with the value of x, which is 20 degrees. Kaya po ang value ni x dito sa example number 2 ay 20 degrees. Let's proceed to the third and last example. Given that ray EZ is the angle bisector of angle DEA, the measure of angle DEZ is equal to 3x plus 45 degrees, and the measure of angle ZEA is equal to 4x plus 15 degrees. What is the measure of angle DEZ? So ngayon po, alam natin na equal ang measure ni angle DEZ at ang measure ni angle ZEA. Kaya, isubstitute na lang natin yung mga values. So, 3x plus 45 is equal to 4x plus 15. Yan po ay galing sa given. Ngayon, hanapin na natin yung value ni x. So, pagsasamahin po ulit natin yung mga like terms, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng equation na 45 minus 15 is equal to 4x minus 3x. Simplify natin ngayon. 45 minus 15 will become 30 and 4x minus 3x ay magiging x. So, ang value natin for x ay 30. So, dyan na po ba natatapos? Hindi pa. Kasi we are asked to get the measure of angle DEZ. So, gagamitin po natin yung given na measure of angle DEZ is equal to 3x plus 45 degrees. So, alam na natin yung value ni x. Substitute na lang natin siya doon sa equation. So, measure of angle DEZ is equal to 3 times 30 plus 45. So, ano po yung 3 times 30? Yun po ay 90. Tapos, pag inad natin yung 45, magkakaroon tayo ng sum na 135. Kaya, ang measure po ni angle DEZ ay 135 degrees. That's all for today. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, wag po natin kalimutan i-share ito sa ating mga kaibigan, kaklase na gustong matuto na itong lesson na ito. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you on my next video.